Okay, to complete this performance task today, there are three different things you need to know how to be able to do. First, for step one, you want to make sure that you drag three of the rocks into these boxes. So let's say I chose this first rock right here. I would click on it and drag it over. You can click on whichever three you choose. Okay? The second thing is to add text boxes to describe your rocks. So let's say I had this rock right here. Okay, to add a text box to describe this, I will click on the text box option right here at the top in the toolbar, and then just click wherever I want to add my text box, and I can change the size of that if I need to, whatever I need to do. So I can describe it by size, color, and texture, and then you would put your information here for your rock description. The last thing you will need to know how to do is this text box at the bottom right here. You're going to type in your answer to the part 3, where it says at the bottom of this slide, type to explain how the rocks are alike and different. So you can delete this part right here and type your answer right there, whatever that might be. So good luck. I'm sure you're going to do fantastic on today's performance task.